Hey, hi, this is Al Torres. I'm here to kind of reintroduce my YouTube channel. In the coming months, I'll be uploading more videos about my multi-view paintings. And I just wanted to share this film I did, this time lapse of the barn in front of my studio. Anyway, I hope you enjoy.
Oh man, Al, what's wrong with you? You forgot to tell the people to like, share, and subscribe.
Fine.
Oh.
Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it.
This is a peaceful nature time-lapse video.